it's me again, Goofy Ruby, and welcome to Skinny Pancake! Skinny Pancake, Quitchy, Vermont! Yum,
I need to get my mask. I really forgot. But I'm so happy today. I haven't posted a video for a long time, I guess, for a couple of weeks. I've been really busy at work. And today I'm feeling so happy and excited because we're having lunch in one of my favorite stores. There's a car. It's locked. It's locked! You locked it! Oh my god.
Hey! You alright? You Minnie! You Minnie! No! 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 We're going. Skinny pancakes. Mask required. So what are you doing right now?
Filling out contact person.
Star menu. Breakfast all daily.
One side of bacon. And the other hot dog. One side of sausage. One side of egg. How do you like that? Inside out. Very good.
Want some apple cider?
I think this is more than what we had in Burlington.
So good. Oh yeah, it's a lot more.
It was like a small.
This glass is a lot.
Right, wasn't it?
Yeah, this glass is a lot bigger than that.
Right back on the sides.
Thank you. Yummy. We're waiting for the sides. I'm so happy. Here's our eggs. Yum yum. And the rest for order.
We'll have the bacon, we'll have the sausage. You got the bacon?
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yay, thank you. Here's our food. Oh, can't wait to eat this one. It's my favorite. Yum yum. Cheers. Let's eat. Want a bite? You want a bite? I'll show you my first bite. my first bite. I know you're so hungry. Oh, it has a little bit of banana and I don't know what else. Banana and
Strawberry, maybe?
strawberry. Mmm.
Coming from Black River Produce.
Mmm. Okay, you eat. You feel like it? Ooh. And maple syrup and a huge bite. Mmm. It's good? So good. I love to eat bacon too. I'm gonna use my hand. I'm so happy today. Thank you. I feel like this video will turn out to be a mukbang. Mukbang video. So good. Strawberry banana crepes.
First time I had crepes was in Japan.
But Skinny Pancake started in I mean, not really in Burlington, but their first store was in Burlington, right?
I think so.
So good. Oh, egg. The egg is so good. Strawberry and banana and some a little bit of chocolate and the crepe. So crepes is a French word, right? Crepe from France. Say crepe.
I think it is.
But here we can say crepe or crepes, right? For plural, but in France they only say crepe. And we both love apple cider. So good.
Remember the last time I came here? Next door.
Yeah.
We're looking for a card.
Oh, right. Oh, it's almost gone. Ooh. You want some more? Woo, ba-boo. Woo. Like food's gone. So we just finished eating, guys, and it's time for me to sleep. Sleeping time, nap time. Husband ko. We're in a different store right now. So Skinny Pancakes next is Jake's. So ibang store naman ito. Kailangan ko siyang hanapin. He's waiting for me. Hi! They're done here. Happy tummy. Whew, it's cold. Bye, Skinny Pancakes. Bye, Skinny Pancakes. See you again next time. It's snowing. Snowing. Yes, sure we can. It's snowing. It's snowing. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and